Timothy Treadwell, right? The bear man. Steve, get with the bears. Yeah, don't do that, chocolate. Don't do that, chocolate. Hey, anda cá. Yeah, stand.
Give him my name. No?
Jessica.
Jessica.
As your creator, I command you. What? There's nothing there. Not the blood. Anda. Hey, Jessica. As your maker, I command you. So right here we have the great grizzly bear in Alaska. And he's very, very wild. And sometimes when it comes to you, you gotta just go for it. Because if they say, I want to kill you, you gotta be there. You gotta just... Hey. Kill me.
It's gonna...
Maybe it's gonna be a Buddhist
It's
monk.
gonna run out of your head.
There's one time in this Buddhist temple, these pigeons were looking. I took this girl on a date there. Well, whatever. But I took this girl there because she wanted to see the temple, obviously.
Yeah.
And we were walking up the one temple house, one of the guard houses in the temple. And this pigeon looked at me, and I said to the girl, "Hey, maybe it's a reincarnated monk." And as I said that, it just flew into a window, practically committed suicide, and it fell to the ground because the window was like up. Yes.
Say something.
Maybe
Say
it was
something.
this one.
Say
So
something.
the pigeon falls to the floor.
Say something. No.
The pigeon falls to the floor and breaks its neck.
Oh
And I
no.
was like, ah. So I picked it up and we took it to the Buddhist monks inside the actual main temple. Because the thing was like dying, like ah. And his head was like falling off the body, but it was still alive. And the monks were like, no, don't. I'm like, no, it's dying, you must do something. Because I mean, it's like Buddhist monks supposed to have powers, you know, whatever. And then they're like, no, take it out. And I was like, fine, whatever. And then by then the thing was dead.
Oh my God, it's gone. She's leaving. Your friend is leaving.
Jessica!
You need to talk like the guy in Batman.
Yes. Jessica! Where are you?
Or still.
Bird was bro. Yeah, I can skateboard too.
I believe I can fly. Eh?
Stop eating rocks. Like with all birds, if you give them attention, they'll run away. But if you ignore them, they'll come. Bitches are like stitches. You pull them out, they open up. Okay, Jessica, have fun, eh? Sometime next week.
Bye bye, Jessica.